guys, it's your boy EddieKane.com. I am here in Cabarete. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. Check it out, check it out. The beach, La Playa, the main street. Thought I'd give you guys a walkthrough on the street itself instead of just the playa. I've done a couple videos of the playa, but not of the actual street, the main street right here, number 5. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope everybody's good, having a great day. I won't complain, I won't complain. Got a lot going on in my life right now. But I'm thankful, I'm good. I won't complain. I'll try not to complain. But I hope everybody's good, staying COVID free. Hope your families are good. If you guys haven't, please subscribe. If you dig the channel, go ahead and give your boy that subscription. I would really appreciate it. It's a lot of color in the streets here in the Dominican Republic. Hold on, amigo.
Sí deben estar, ¿no?
Got a lot of stalls, a lot of shops. Swimsuits, bathing suits. You guys forgot your stuff, you can definitely get it here. You know you're gonna get that gringo precio, that gringo price, of course. It's business, don't take it personal. Everybody gotta make money. It's hard out here for everybody right now, so it is what it is. Got a lot of shops here, guys, a lot of shops. Hola, ¿cómo estás? It's overcast, been raining off and on past couple days. I won't complain, I'll try not to. No more motto. Hola. Everyday life in the DR, baby. Hola, amigo.
Hola.
Hola, hola.
How are you, everybody?
We're good. Let's get a bienvenidos.
Dominican Republic, Cabarete Center Beach.
Gracias.
Have a good day, buddy.
All right, thanks, my man.
Enjoy the life.
All right, gracias. I did a lot of footage earlier and I couldn't, it was useless. I didn't have a steady shot on the camera and it keeps it stabilized. So I lost like 20 minutes worth of really good footage. So it is what it is. I'm still learning the camera, learning how to operate a real professional camera. So it's a learning curve, you know, so I just have to deal with it. I may be able to go into some software on the laptop and stabilize it. I'll check later to see. I just don't have the time, the patience right now to try to deal with them. So we're just out here, baby, out here, Cabarete. Roll my moto today. Get some air, relax my mind a little bit. Sometimes you gotta relax. Find your way to relax and get back into your own personal space, head space. So a couple of things been coming my way to kind of pull me out of my space, but it is what it is. Your boy bounced back, without a doubt. But I'm all good, How can I complain? I'm in this beautiful country. Cabarete. Everyday life, baby. buildings. Got your little version of Umbrella Street, just some decorations, little area walking into La Playa here in Cabarete. Nice little chill area. Like to decorate and got a nice setup for Christmas and a holiday. You come down here and have you some cafe and just relax. Wow. La Playa, you know, always my favorite. Let's go check it out, guys. You got a lot of kite surfing. You can see out in the distance, all the kite surfing. All the kite surfers. Chill day today. Not a lot of people out. It's about 3 p.m. I like the way Cabarete Beach is set up. Just real laid back, tranquilo. We're gonna walk down, guys. Real nice chill day. I think I'm gonna have me a couple cervezas. And after I get through filming, just chill out for a minute and relax. Those lobsters, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I need to grab about 20 and stuff in my backpack. That's what I'm talking about. Just out here, guys, living that expat life, the travel squad life, just abroad, just doing me, enjoying life to the fullest as much as I can, and just want to share it with you guys, man. I appreciate you guys always being there, always supporting. For those that are just viewing and haven't subbed, make sure you do so if you appreciate the content. Also, guys, definitely check out Tafrani. They have the flyest t-shirts on the market. When you're traveling, you want to represent, you want to look good, shop Tafrani. The link will be in the description box. Definitely check it out. There's a lot of merchandise for men and women. You won't be disappointed. They have a lot of new stuff on the horizon coming. And they got your boy out here looking good. Expat life, travel life. Make sure you shop Tafrani, baby. Adios. If you've never been to Cabarete Beach, you know you got bars and restaurants lined up and down Playa. A little different setup than in Sosua, but so it's all good though. It's all good. You got some aggressive vendors. People think that Sosua vendors are aggressive. Cabarete, to me, they're more aggressive. But like I said, it is what it is. Sometimes they can get hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Food, muy buena? See?
If you don't like, you don't pay.
If I don't like, I don't pay. That's on camera.
Oh, yeah.
What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Manuel, I got you in writing. And that's the owner. You the owner?
Yeah.
All right. You heard what he said. If I don't like it, I don't pay. All right. Okay. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yeah. Y'all heard it, right? If I don't like it, I don't pay. But yeah, the vendors here are a little more aggressive than in Sosua. That's my opinion. And people who've been in Sosua, I know you say, how is that even remotely possible, right? But yeah, it is possible, definitely. They constantly, you know, hit you up. You could be filming, you could be with your girl in deep conversation, you know, whatever, and they just won't stop. But, you know, again, it is what it is. Respect the game, you know. No gracias, or you know, if you can, throw them something, give it to them. But if you can't, you know, you just can't, and you just keep it moving, respectfully. But all in all, Cabarete is a good chill spot, good chill playa. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. I come to this restaurant here a lot. When I come here, and it's cool. It's got the name of it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Tu nombre del restaurante? Ojo Club. Okay. Couldn't remember. Okay, guys. Ojo Club, guys. It's Ojo Club. There's always room in life for this.